If you're tired of high cable bills, limited channel choices, and complicated setups, you're not alone. Cord cutting is on the rise, and many people are switching to free TV antennas to save money without losing their favorite channels. One of the most talked about options this year is the BroadWave antenna. But is it really the best antenna for free local channels in 2025? Let's break it down. The BroadWave antenna is an HD TV antenna designed to pick up over-the-air or OTA signals, giving you access to over 100 free channels. That includes major networks like ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox, and plenty of local stations, all in crystal clear 1080p HD. It's an indoor TV antenna with a long 120-mile reception range, which means it works well whether you're in the city, suburbs, or even rural areas. That makes it one of the top choices for anyone searching for an indoor TV antenna for rural areas. Setting it up is simple. No tools, no technician. Just plug it into your TV, scan for channels, and you're ready to watch. It connects using a standard coaxial cable and works with almost any TV or converter box. We tested the BroadWave in multiple locations. In urban areas, we got over 80 channels. In more remote spots, we still picked up 40 or more. The signal held strong even during bad weather, which isn't something every antenna can promise. Let's go over the pros and cons. Pros: completely free HD channels, no monthly bills or contracts, fast plug-and-play setup, works great in most environments, saves money, and reduces cable clutter. Cons: performance depends on your location, needs the right placement for the best signal, doesn't include premium cable-only channels. The BroadWave antenna is a smart, affordable choice. Whether you're trying to cut your cable bill, live in a rural area, or just want to watch local news and sports without paying monthly fees, this device delivers. Final verdict? If you're looking to save money on TV with the BroadWave antenna, it's absolutely worth a try. It's one of the best OTA options available right now, and a key part of any cord cutter's setup. If you need to get the BroadWave antenna, visit the link in the description below.